Dear students, I would like to introduce some exercises on factorizing for you.
Multiply x times x plus 4. It equals by distribution times this and this, x times x equal x square plus x times 4 equal 4x. Now the converse is true. If I tell you to factorize x square plus 4x, what is the answer? Answer x square plus 4x equal x times x plus 4. According to x is common factor. X is common factor of this and this. Put the common factor outside the bracket. And when we divide x squared by x, the quotient is x. When we divide 4x by x, the quotient is 4. According to this equals this, therefore this also equals this. As we see now, x squared plus 4x equal x times x plus 4. By using highest common factor, get it outside the bracket and divide by the common factor and the quotient inside the bracket. Multiply x plus 1 times x plus 3. X times x square. X times x equal x square. 1 times 3 equals 3. Here 1x plus 3x equal 4x. Now the converse is true. Factorize x square plus 4x plus 3. The answer according to this equal this, therefore this also equal this. Factorize this, we obtain this, x plus 1 times x plus 3. Put bracket, x square, x times x. 3 equal 1 times 3. This positive and this positive. The last term is positive, so the signs here and here are similar, to the sign of the middle term, positive, positive. Multiply x minus 1 times x minus 2. X times x equal x square. X square. Negative 1 times negative x plus negative 2x equal negative 3x. The outer terms plus the inner terms equal the middle term here. Middle term, negative 3x. Now factorize. Now factorize. X square minus 3x plus 2. The converse is true. According to this equal this, therefore also this equal this. Therefore the answer this equal this. X minus 1 times x minus 2. Notice that x squared x times x equal negative 1 times negative 2. The last term here is positive. Therefore, the signs here are similar to the sign of the middle term. This negative times negative equal positive, and this sign the signs here are similar to the sign of the middle term. Multiply x plus 1 times x minus 2. X times x square, positive 1 times negative 2 equal negative 2. Positive 1x minus 2x equal negative x. Now factorize. X square minus x minus 2. The answer, of course, two brackets, x square x times x, negative 2 equal positive 1 times negative 2. Why? 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 2 equal 2. The last term is negative. Therefore, the signs here are different. The sign of the middle term beside the greater. The sign of the middle term beside the greater. And we put a different sign beside the other term. They are different. And the product of inner terms, add it to the product of outer terms, you obtain the middle term here. Notice that positive 1x plus negative 2x equal negative x. Multiply x plus 2 times x minus 2. X times x equal x squared. 2 times negative 2 equal negative 4. We haven't here middle term because 2x minus 2x equals 0. No, there aren't any middle term here. This is difference of two squares. According to that, if I tell you to factorize this, we obtain this. To factorize this, we obtain this. Factorize x squared minus 4. The answer here, of course, according to this equals this, therefore this also equals this. The answer, x squared, x times x, 4 equal 2 times 2, positive, negative. The root of x squared is x, the root of 4 is 2, and also x and 2, the signs positive, negative. X plus y square equal x squared plus 2xy plus y square. According to that, now factorize this. Factorize x squared plus 2xy plus y square. This equals this, also this equals this. The answer is what? Answer, open bracket, square. The root of x squared is x. The root of y squared is y. This positive, it is positive. This positive, it's positive. Factorize x squared minus 2xy plus y square. The answer here, is the following. Bracket, square, the root of x squared is x, the root of y squared is y, negative here because it's a complete square. This sign, put it here. This term, put the root of it here. This term, put the root of it here. The root of y squared is y, put it here. The root of x squared is x, put it here. The sign of the middle term negative, put it here. Factorize x cube plus y cube. Answer, open small bracket and greater bracket. The cubic root of x power 3 is x. What is the cubic root of this y? Here this positive, I put positive. X times itself equal x square. Y times itself equal y square. This positive, put negative here. It is a different idea. It isn't a complete square. It is here sum of two cubes. This positive, put negative here. xy. xy. This positive, put positive here. And if negative, also this positive here. But what is the sign of middle term? It's different. It's different. It isn't like this. This positive, put here negative. Factorize. X cube minus y cube. Answer. Small bracket, greater bracket, x. This y is power 3, I put y, minus, I put minus, x times itself equal x square, negative y times itself positive y square. This is negative, I put positive xy.
Best wishes from me for all of you and thank you very much. Goodbye.